our friendship club. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to do what?
Make Jello for a Easter surprise.
Easter surprise is coming up. So we're making Jello and we're gonna put all kinds of cool toys on the bottom layer of Jello. And then we'll do another layer after 4 hours of it cooling in the refrigerator. And then a third layer as well. And each layer is a different color. So we have orange. What else do we have?
Blue.
Blue. What else do we have?
Red.
Red. And each layer is gonna consist of different
Colors.
and surprises, toys. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is 2 cups of water. So Lance is adding 2 cups of water right into there. And then we're gonna hit the stove on. So we're gonna go ignite with some flames. It's gonna be warm, so we're not touching the fire, but we are gonna dump this in just a minute once the water boils. So some of the cool surprises that we have are what? Let's show. Show and tell time. He picked out some great ones. So we have M&Ms, we have Beeps, and what else do we have? We have Kinder Joys, we have Reese's, his favorite type of gum. So you can do this with your kiddos too, or your students. It's a fun little, what? Is it a craft? No. Is it an activity? Absolutely. Okay, so let's get your scissors. I'm gonna change you spots so that you can get to work. We're making sure that we put our hand underneath it because it's heavy down there and we don't want an orange Jello floor. And then you're gonna sprinkle that in. Yep, just like that. See how it
All
turns
of it?
orange?
All of it?
Yeah. Dump it all in there. That is perfect. We have to see how cool and orange this is. And then you're gonna get the whisk and you're gonna go stirry, stirry. And just don't touch the flame. So we have to get it to the point where it is what? Does it dissolve and disintegrate? Yeah. Lance is doing a great job. Shall I assist? Okay. I'll assist. Whisk, whisk, whisk. And then what do you think we're gonna do after this? We're gonna add some cold water. So if you would like to be my assistant and put some cold water, we need 2 cups. Thank you. I can always add a couple ice cubes to cool it down even colder faster, but not necessary. Since we're just gonna put it in the fridge, we're not in an emergency situation to get Jello right away. Thank you, sir. And we're bringing that right over here to be ready. You can put it right back on the stove if you like. That's great. And we'll be ready to pour that in once this hits a really good boil, because then that means that it would be ready. So I'm gonna let it rest just for about 10 seconds. See if I can get some boils in the middle. I see it on the outside. Do you?
Yep.
Yep. Now you can go ahead and pour that cold water in.
All of it?
Yep. Go ahead and use that spout if you'd like. There you go. It's a fun party. All right. That's okay. Because it was just turning to the side a little bit. All right, let's move over this way. Grab me a little paper towel, would you? Thank you, sir. I'm turning this off. And then I'm gonna have you get ready over here with all your little goodies, okay? So we're coming over here and we're getting ready for our goodies. Come this way. Follow me. Ta-da-da-da! This is going to be our glass container for your surprise Jello Easter Easter.
One treasure.
Yeah. Have you ever had one of these before?
Nope.
Nope. Let's see what it's like. It's marshmallowy and sugary. I wonder if it's gonna leave your tongue blue. Do you like it? Does it need to be melted on a graham cracker with chocolate, or is it good the way it is?
Tastes like marshmallow, but sugar on top.
Yeah. Well, that's a good analysis. Pretty much what it is, huh? Sugary marshmallow. Do you like s'mores better, or do you like just a little tasty treat like that? You like that one? Okay, let's throw some toys in, because we're going to cover it with our Jello and put it in the fridge. So should we put the M&Ms in first, or what do you want to do? That'll be the one that we have to really dig in to get. You want to take the little bouncy balls out of the package?
Sure.
There you go.
I think that's enough.
Is that enough bouncy balls? Want to do some more in the middle layer?
Yeah.
We're gonna have more toys for the middle layer, huh? Would you like a Kinder Joy down there? Would you like some gum? Your favorite kind? Would you like some pink marshmallows and blue marshmallows? Or is that just too crazy? It's your world. I'm just decorating it.
Get these out.
Yeah, I know they're sticky,
Hard
huh?
to get out.
Yeah, they're pretty sticky. All right, that looks pretty good, huh? What do you guys think? Good? Yeah, that's good. So we're gonna pour our Jello in here and put it in the refrigerator. And then we'll do another layer, and then Lance is gonna dip his hand in here with all the gooey Jello. It's gonna be a Jello gooey surprise of Easter fun. We'll see you in a second.